Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are back with more NFT learning content, all right? And today we actually going to talk about a project, and what stood out about this project to me is that it's launching on Solana, okay? Now, just a little before we get into it, we're going to talk about Solana just a little bit. So basically, Solana in simple terms it's a blockchain network just like Ethereum, okay? Now, here's the thing with Solana. Solana is growing fast. Like, Solana is still up and coming. However, it's seen as a big competitor to Ethereum, which is, if you don't know what Ethereum is what the NFT space is kind of ran on, the blockchain that it's ran on. But you got faster processing times, and one of the main thing that I hear people is gas fees, all right? And so there's just lower associated costs when you're dealing with Solana, all right? So let's go ahead and peep this project. This project is called We Are the Walrus, all right? Now, they say they are more than a JPEG. They're more than a community, a family of dreamers. We are each fiercely independent yet independent. We are each fiercely independent yet united by a common creed. We are the Walrus, all right? 1,989 big, unique, bold, solid, beautiful NFTs living on the Solana blockchain, all right? Want to know more? Read our manifesto, all right? So we're going to read their manifesto. No, we're not going to read their manifesto because it is quite long. However, it is here, and I'll link their website below. But let's move right along. So let's talk about the roadmap. The roadmap is the most important part of any NFT, all right? Now, if you've been watching my series is about the NFTs that I'm choosing to cover, you're noticing one thing in common, all right? I'm a graphic designer, so I'm a little strict on the design, and every single one of these that I peep, they're the ones that I've decided to bring to my channel, I should say. The artwork is incredible. However, don't get lost in the artwork. It's not really about the artwork, it's about the utility, and we're about to find out what this does on their roadmap, all right? So they're actually minting on December 4th at 6 p.m. UTC, all right? Now, let's talk about the roadmap. Phase 1. So you were one of the lucky ones and you got yourself a Walrus. Now what? Guaranteed lifetime membership into this exclusive herd? Not so fast. You must survive phase 1, the Walrus game, all right? So remember I told you the 3 different types of NFTs. You got the games, you got the collectibles, and then you got the fine art, okay? This seems to be a combination of a collectible and a game. If you've heard my take on any of these, then you know if it's a game, if there's something behind it, I think it's gonna be nice. All right, so there's only 8,000. You thought Squid Game was vicious. You haven't seen anything yet. You haven't seen anything yet. Wow, I'm just all over the place. Yes, 8,989 amazing walrus will be born into the world, but only the strongest will survive. Scared, unworthy, paper-handed walrus. They will be caught and publicly executed. Whoa, and live infamy in our RIP Hall of Shame. After all, we are as strong as our weakest link. Oh wow, we only want the strongest, most fearless walruses in our herd. Okay, that's why 30% of royalties is dedicated to strategically buying back walruses and burning them. That's interesting. So until 5,000 most committed walruses, and listen, YouTube algorithm, we're talking about NFTs, not actual walruses, all right? Until the 5,000 most committed walruses are left standing triumphant and are ready for the revolution, all right? So we are hope, change. Bro, this is a nice website design. This is one of the best website designs I've seen. Like, not even just NFTs, I'm talking period. Wow. Okay, phase 2. 5,000 strong, right? If you make it to phase 2, you made it past, you wasn't one of the walruses to get burnt. And that's the thing. What it looks like is if you're one of the ones that get burnt, they just buy it back from you, or you're not out of your money, which is, I guess, not a bad thing. But the real fun begins at 5,000. If you make it to phase 2, congratulate yourself. Actually, we do that for you by airdropping you the second NFT in the Walrus universe. No Walrus should be without his sidekick. Getting your hands on this next spectacular Walrus companion NFT will be worth reaching this phase alone. So they're gonna roll out more. These Walruses are gonna have companions, I guess, but you will get way more than that by revealing yourself as a true Walrus. You will now have a seat at the main We Are the Walrus table. All right. In phase 2, we will move into Walrus DAO mode. All right. All future decisions about WATW voted on by the holders, okay? 50% of royalties will go into the Dreamers Vault, and the community will vote on how to use it to bring the best value out of the herd, all right? Full transparency, community focus, build together, change the world, okay? So it looks like what they're trying to do is form a community, right? Like I explained to y'all. earlier, it seems to be a game and sort of a community slash, think of communities collectible in the same thing, right? Think of that like one and the same. So it looks like it's a combination of both. All right, so let's go to WAW Mania. All right, so let's talk about, oh, that's nice. All right, pre-mint. They'll mint 500 WAW for giveaway and marketing purposes. Wow. Reward community members, WAW Maniac program, strategic gifts to influencers within crypto and music industry. Okay, cool. That's pretty cool. That means they're taking it serious and they're really about to like go hard and try to get this project out there. We're gonna go ahead and check and see if they have in motion though. Pre-sale. 1,601 lucky whitelisters will be given access in advance to mint their very own WARs. Pre-sale perks. These are the perks you get. Exclusive 3-hour window for whitelisters to mint before public. That's not bad. The cost is 0.89 Solana. I'll just call it Solana per WARs. Let me go ahead and do that math for y'all. Okay. 0.8909. That's about $200, somewhere in around there. And 2 giveaways reserved only for pre-sale members. All right. One framed large print of your walrus and 1 custom gold ring. All right. Whitelisters can mint up to 5 walruses each. For more information on how to be added to whitelist pre-sale access, I'm pretty sure that's going to take us to their Discord where most of that's handled and you try to get on their whitelist. All right. Public mint will be, once again, December 4 p.m. Universal time. All right. I did not know there was like a universal time. I didn't know there was a universal time. I looked that up last night. But basically, they got a post-mint party they're planning to celebrate our mint, the 8,900, we'll say, in the 8,900 walruses. A week or two later, if we sell out, we will host a special live stream party full of amazing giveaways for the holders, okay? 1 free walrus to 10 holders, 1 framed large print, 1 custom cigar box, 1 gold ring, 1 pinball machine, 1 custom vintage Austin mini. Okay, that's pretty cool. So the team, a lot of the times they don't use their real names. They don't disclose their real names, and they don't disclose any pictures of them. They all got pretty cool NFTs as themselves. All right, so we don't really know much about this team, but we're about to go take a dive into their Twitter. All right, so this is one of the bigger ones that I've seen. So almost 10,000 followers. A lot of people asking how they can get whitelisted. So this is definitely one with some hype. I mean, this thing has a lot of hype in the community that's building quickly. This has the chance to be one of the blue chip, just premier collections on OpenSea, period. On Solana, period. Now, I'm not gonna lie, there's a lot of people trying to get these. This is one of the most hype ones, all right? So the best chance for you to get one is gonna be on whitelist, all right? And the mint date is December 4th. So make sure once you see this video, you go tap in, because I'm actually gonna go tap in. Make sure you follow them on all socials, Twitter, Discord, Instagram, and I'm gonna have those in description. I mean, it looks like they're giving away over $85,000 worth of giveaways within this community. I mean, they got a roadmap that kind of focuses on important elements of long-term team success, like community success. So overall, once again, December 4th is when this is gonna drop. Make sure you join their Discord to stay updated. I'm gonna have all the links in the description, man. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about this. I think this has got an opportunity to really blow up. So that's gonna be it for today. Love y'all, man. Let's get it.